For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Indian Council of Medical Research has said that 3 suspected cases of COVID-19 reinfection have been described in India. Among the 3 cases, 2 are from Mumbai and 1 from Ahmedabad. ICMR in a statement has said that they have decided upon a cutoff of 100 days for reinfection if it occurs. Reinfection was a problem which was first described via a case from Hong Kong. Subsequently, a few cases were described in India, 2 in Mumbai and 1 in Ahmedabad. We have got some data from the WHO which says that there are about 24 reinfection cases in the world at the moment. We are looking at the ICMR database and finding out those who have had reinfection and making telephonic contact to get some data out of them. The ICMR further said that the definition of the reinfection was still not decided by the World Health Organization. However, the Indian government is taking a cutoff of about 100 days. The government is taking the cutoff of about 100 days if reinfection occurs because that is what we have assumed as the life of antibodies, so it's work in progress. Referring to various reports of reinfection in several states, Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan had said that several reinfection cases were misclassified. Actual reinfection would mean a fully recovered person getting infected by a freshly introduced virus in his or her body, belonging to the same or different strain. ICMR is commissioning a study to understand the true burden of reinfected cases. Results will be shared in a couple of weeks. The question of getting reinfected by COVID-19 had been raised by several scientists across the world as such cases were getting reported around the world. Media houses from the United States had reported that a man in the US had been reinfected by COVID-19 and the reinfection was worse than the first infection. Scientists have said that patient caught coronavirus twice rather than the original infection becoming dormant and then bouncing back. A study published in The Lancet claims that patients might experience more severe symptoms during the reinfection. Researchers have said that reinfection could have significant implication in the absence of a vaccine. The possibility of reinfections could have significant implications for our understanding of COVID-19 immunity, especially in the absence of an effective vaccine. Although several cases of reinfection have been reported around the world, it is still not clear how and if reinfection from COVID-19 is a possibility.